Welcome to yet again another episode of the Goes to 11 Vise Squad, brought to you by Andrew's Fly Company. My name is Bryce Miller and I'm your Sunday host. Today we're going to tie an orange body stimulator. We're going to start our thread on the hook shank. So about there in the bend. Scissors. Snip. Now we're going to use a hair stacker. Now we're going to use some bleached elk hair as the tail. Remember to get that underfur out of the elk hair. Stack it. And then we're going to go just beyond the bend of the hook here with this tail. 1, 2 wraps, and then we're going to pull tight. Make sure it is on top of the hook shank. Pull your hair down, and then you're gonna wrap on top of it until about near the middle. That way we keep the body symmetrical the entire way. Cut that off. And now you're going to cover up everything here. Nice uniform body. Alright, now we are going to tie in a piece of copper wire and a piece of floss, orange. This is from the Royal Sisi brand. I like to use it for the bodies of these flies. Alright, so now we're going to put a half hitch here. Bring around our bobbin cradle. We're gonna wrap we're going to move our bobbin cradle there. Bring our thread back up here and tie it off. Now we're going to tie in a brown hackle, brown dry fly hackle. Now this, we want to make sure it's actually about a size 12, even though we have a size 10 hook in here. You want to downsize by about 1 hook size on your body hackle. We are once again going to half hitch around our bobbin cradle. We're going to catch it with our wire, counter wrap it. Okay, we're now going to snip this tag hackle here. Turn to our thread, tie off the wire. And then helicopter it off. Enough. So now we have the body of our fly done. This one's not required, but I like to have a little bit of crystal flash that I will tie in as an underwing of these flies. Maybe. That off right there. Alright, now we have our underwing. We can tie in our actual wing. This time we're going to use a natural elk hair. want this hair right here. If you look at it, actually has a downward face to it because of the way it lays on the body. We want that downward face to face downward on this fly. Line it up with the tail and tie it in. A couple wraps through the hair and let go. Pull it up, 4 wraps in front, and we're going to cut on an angle, that way we can get the nose the way we want it to look. Now we're going to wrap over top of these hairs, lightly wrap over top right here, that way we can get that hair to lay back. Cut these kind of stragglers here, these ends that we didn't quite get. Clean up the head, then we're going to wrap over top of it and get ready to finish off this fly. So now we're going to tie in a Grizzly hack feather. This one we want to actually be size 10. Tie in this feather. It's facing right back. Alright, and then at this point, I like to use actual sulfur dubbing instead of any yellow dubbing. I like the brighter look to it. Just dry fly dubbing, super fine. We are going to dub the thread. Try a little bit more. All right. And this time we're not going to half hitch off and use the rotary. We're actually going to just wrap it. This first wrap's going to be right up against the elk hair here. Equally spaced from there. Catch it, tie it off. And now we're going to half hitch finish. Once again, you can use a tool to use my lip finish. I like to half hitch. Snip the thread, snip the excess of this feather off. And don't forget the underwing, we want to snip it right with the wing. And there you have an orange body stimulator. Thank you for watching today's segment. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're looking to buy some great outdoor gear, fishing gear, or even fly tying supplies, go to visit our store at www.fishingandoutdoors.ca for Canadian shoppers. Or if you're in the States or international, use www.fishingandoutdoors.net. Please give this video a thumbs up and also click the subscribe button and the little reminder bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you, and I'll see you guys here again Sunday.